Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Siddha Suburbia at Southern Bypass, and it's a very big township project with having bungalows and apartments, high-rise apartments and bungalows. So this is the living and dining area of this project, and with this living cum dining you will be having your attached balcony like this with green view outside. This is the balcony space, and this is the lobby space. This is your TV unit space. You can decorate like this. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate, just to give you an idea. And this is the kitchen space. It's a square shaped kitchen with having L pattern countertop with chimney hub and a French style window. And see the project boundary from here. This is the project boundary outside. So come again. So now we are entering into the lobby space. So on my right side, this is the common toilet space. Hefty size of common toilet, and just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom. So come inside the first bedroom. It's a beautiful first bedroom with having a big size French window, and this side you will be having your wardrobe space like this. And this is the TV unit space. Now come this side. Just outside, this is the lobby space again, and we are entering into the second bedroom. On my left side, this is the second bedroom. Beautifully crafted second bedroom with having a huge French style window. And see the beauty of this second bedroom with having a beautiful wardrobe space. You can decorate like this. And this side you will be having your TV unit space. Now come again. We are moving outside, and this side you will be having another cross ventilation window, and this is the master bedroom. So come inside the master bedroom. It's a very big size master bedroom. The size of this master bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 12, and this master bedroom is also having windows on both the sides, as you can see. A beautiful space decorated. See the space of this master bedroom, and this master bedroom is also having attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet space. Separate space for bath, western commode, and the basin space. And see this side. This is our bungalow project will be coming. These are all bungalow projects which will come very soon. So thanks everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in this apartment, then please call us as early as possible, because we are running some excellent bank schemes and discounts for you. So thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates.